The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla. Yo, you have the answer phone. Look at the phone screen, Muzo. Hold on. Answer phone. Hold on, ring. Answer phone now. Yo, answer phone on the screen. Answer phone. No, sir. Hold on, ring. Yo, you answer to get it, no? You answer phone, I get it. Ring the phone again. And you must answer today and get the phone. Ring. Okay, a brand new phone. Alright. Answer now. Answer now, Muzo. Muzo, the phone answer. Answer phone. Answer it, man.
Unless you say the man not understand how to answer the phone, and before you help the man or teach the man how to answer the phone, they are killing no teeth and a laugh off of the man. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. You see? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who seems as if he did not know how to answer the cellular phone when it was ringing. You see me I say? And in the video, you can hear persons talking in the background and persons laughing at the person who seems as if he can't use the phone. Alright? You can let me know what you think about that video. Alright? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media where it is said that the police within the country of Jamaica had shut down an illegal party at a place that is known as Olympic Way, that is within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. See? Today is the 28th of April, year 2021, alright? Just letting you know that today is the 28th of April, year 2021, when I did this video. See me? And according to the information that I got about the incident, it is said that the incident happened last night. You see what I'm saying to you? So, you know, I'm going to put these videos together and present them to you, and you can let me know what you think, alright? Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, this is going on, people, gentle people. 8 car load of police come for lock off party and then gone with beer people in us. People, I beg you to be wise here, sir. Right now, promote and liquor and all kind of sitting and throwing a van back there. Whole heap of people over there. It's serious.
Yeah, so there have it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that police shut down a party that was being held at a place that is known as Olympic Way, that's in St. Andrew, Jamaica, and it is said that the whole incident happened last night. You see me? It is said that person got detained or arrested, you know, but I do not have any confirmed information as to how many persons said to have been detained or arrested, alright? Anyways, you know, you can let me know what I think about those pieces of videos, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I got information about an incident that happened within United States of America where it is said that a police officer shot and killed a African-American male who goes by the name of Dante Wright somewhere within the place that is known as Minnesota, that is within United States of America. You see? It is said that incident happened sometime within the month of April, year 2021, and it is believed that the police intended to use a taser but accidentally pulled out a gun and shot and killed the African-American male. You see? However, I'm just saying that as an example because I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a police officer from within the country that is known as United States of America. And according to some things that this person said, I got the understanding that he talked about making the mistake between a taser and a gun. You see me? And according to some more things that the person said, I got the understanding that he's saying that if you're a police officer and if you make a mistake between a taser and a gun, then you should not be a police officer, or you should not be doing a police officer's job. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that this person said. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Dominant? Not so dominant. Huge weight difference, guys. I don't understand how we can mistake a taser for a gun or a gun for a taser. If you're in the heat of the moment and you do something like that, you shouldn't be doing this job. Because nobody likes a bad cop more than a good cop. I can tell you that straight up. I'm not going to put my life on the line to try and, fix your stupidity and deal with, restoring the peace with my public that I serve just because of your stupid actions. It makes no sense. 99% of our job is communication. You don't got to be quick to pull out a gun or a taser on somebody and think everybody's a threat. Not everybody's a threat. Try talking to them. Get to know them people.
Wow. I agree with the things that this person said in this video. Yeah, I agree with the things that he said. You see? Anything that is going to protect and save lives, I agree with that. You see? Yeah. Alright, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a person ripping the outer layer of a coconut with his teeth. You see me? And the person also bite the shell of the coconut, right? In order to open it and get the juice from out of the coconut. Now listen, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this to each and every one of you before I present this video to you. Do not try this at home. At no point should anyone try this at home. It is dangerous. You can pop out your teeth. You see me? Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video has been talked about on social media. You see me? And in my point of view, I think I've seen this video before in the viewers and subscribers. You see me? I think so. But however, the video is being talked about on social media in recent times, to my understanding. So, I'm presenting the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, up and running.
Long time I hear about the jelly man, the man who can peel coconut with his teeth and drink it one time. So now I witness him in real life. See him on internet and all these things. So, jelly man, do you think I could see what I go on?
Yeah, boss, I'm ready to be ready, you know.
It's class. Yeah. Yo, you want to tell me what I tell you? You can bust and drink, you know?
Then I'm going to do it for you.
What did you mean?
Yeah, I got to walk now. One job, one plan.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah?
Time to drink that, you know. I gotta get trouble, though.
Well, I don't know, probably after that. Man, body of foot.
Take a shot, then.
The pan
You come on the phone.
Yeah.
Tell you what, sir.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say this again. Do not try this at home. Don't do it. See? Alright. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, so Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See it? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one and be safe. Alright, so until the next time, wanna big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.